Okay, next we're going to be switching to the Chladni plates. When these plates vibrate, some parts are going to vibrate a lot, others are going to vibrate very little. Some parts will be still. These are the nodes. The parts that have the greatest movement are the antinodes. Okay, so as I sprinkle some of this lightweight sand on there, we'll see what happens as the frequency changes. As I change the frequencies, we're going to see different patterns form. Here's our first pattern we see forming at the frequency of 69 hertz. Okay, this is a fairly simple pattern. As we adjust the frequency up, the patterns will become more complex. Okay, these are standing waves. We're now at 98 hertz, so we should see a more complex pattern than we did previously. We see somewhat of an X shape appearing. Okay, we keep adding sand because there is some loss off to the sides.
Points it a little bit here.
Okay, increasing the frequency just a little bit more, we see it driving out from the center, and the pattern becomes even more complex.
Trying to get back to that X. Doesn't want to go back.
Keep adding some more sand. Help it form some of those patterns that we're looking for. Now, because we're changing the frequency the plate vibrates at, it does take some time for those vibrations to line up.
So there's 98.
That's 98 hertz frequency right there.
And then I'll start.
Now we'll keep increasing. As we increase, we should hear some of this frequency in terms of visible or in terms of audible sound. Remember, sound is just vibration through a medium. In this case, the plate is also vibrating the air.
We're approaching 240.
Okay, approaching 240 hertz here, we see a somewhat more complex pattern emerging. We can also hear the sound fairly clearly now.
That's 242.
242 right here, we see a circle in the middle and an arc in each corner. Okay, we keep increasing. We hear the sound more clearly. We should see more complex patterns.